If you are decorating a nursery for your child or children and need some stylish furniture, go no further cause you anyway won't find anything better than IKEA furniture hacked for the space. Don't bother yourself looking for this or that piece for hours, just make or renovate some of existing IKEA pieces and voila! Let's start with these cool hacks ideas. 1. Upholstered upgrade. Keep those sweet little cheeks happy with this padded seat upgrade for the lat chair. This furniture upgrade does not require complicated or difficult materials. You have to try it. 2. Posh upholstered rocker hack. Elegant wingback rockers are a chic and comfortable alternative to a traditional nursery glider, but the price tag, usually around $1,000, will hit you hard. Turn an IKEA Strandmong wing chair into a $335 dream rocker. 3. Rolling retro diaper caddy. IKEA's versatile Raskog utility cart, painted in cheery turquoise, makes for the perfect rollaway diaper caddy. Stuff it full of changing table essentials, and wheel it to wherever the action is. 4. DIY co-sleeper. Letting a baby bunk in, using IKEA's simple and affordable Sniglar crib, recreate the sweet crib with a detailed co-sleeper tutorial that comes with important safety instructions. 5. DIY drawing table. Create your own charming art table, complete with chalkboards, drawing roll, and art supplies, using IKEA's wallet-conscious lat table and chair set for toddlers. 6. Drona Boxes tassels. All it takes is tassels and a little bit of color to transfer a storage situation from drab to fab. Plus, they are super fun to play on their own. 7. Fresh Poang chair. An IKEA Poang chair with a new slipcover and a nautical pillow for a coastal or beach nursery. And this is an IKEA Poang chair hacked with stamping is also awesome. Don't you agree? 8. FINTORP rail hacks. A comfortable supply shelf made of an IKEA shelf and rails are great for every nursery. Cheap and very easy to do. You might have to try this one. 9. IKEA Bullig Box hack. An IKEA Bullig Box on hairpin legs is a cool idea for storing kids' books or some other small stuff. One of these simple and easy furniture upgrades. You don't need a lot of money and time to do it. This Bullig Box looks very elegant and charming. 10. IKEA Hemnes dresser. A Hemnes dresser with stained wood drawers, a comfy top and side open shelves for a changing table. For me, this is one of the best IKEA hacks.